Ashwata, your task for today is to fix this. As you can see, the images are not in line properly and they are not looking great. So fix that today. Another thing is the images here still, this has not been worked on at all. So can you please fix this and make sure that it's working properly and displays properly as well. The next thing is, I haven't seen a lot of your posts recently, so I'm not sure what you're doing. I tried to edit some of this, but I didn't see any, substantial progress at all since Friday. So can you please work on this and then let me know once you're done so I can check your work. Also, in the primary sheet, there are other postings that need your attention here. Please make sure that we at least create 20 posts today, minimum 20. It doesn't matter if you don't have the images yet, just put a note here that you don't have you don't have the image yet. So just right click and then insert a comment or note, something like that, and then put in no image yet or something like that, so we can track this. Another thing is, can you please ask Kostya to send you the thumbnail for the videos as soon as possible. Thank you.